So over here, you can see that I have the Camtasia project opened up. And what we want to work with right now is the selection option inside of the Camtasia timeline using the cursor. So let's say that you want to select a part of the clip to play around with it, maybe edit it and so forth. What you can simply do is go around onto your cursor just like this and click and drag the green part. So you can just click and drag it out onto the left side just like this. And you can see that that part has been selected. So if you want to play that around, simply press the space bar, and what happens is that it plays that portion of the timeline around, just like that. If you were to press the space bar again, it plays out again just like this, as you can see. If you want to deselect it, you can go over here and double click on the head, or you can press Ctrl D as the keyboard shortcut of your choice. You can also do this. So let's say, for example, you want to select the right side, the entire right side of the clip. You can press Ctrl Alt Shift and right, and all of the clip after the cursor point gets selected just like this. Or if you want to select something on the left, Ctrl Alt Shift and left, and it selects everything onto the left of that cursor just like this. And that is how you can select out certain portions of the clip according to what you want. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.